I think
why he speaks well. Let me be frank.
Yes, or Kasa, I took cue from even a personal experience. Make I say will be a framing. Okay, FM invite us yembe debate Bawumia nina keka. So they called me as a Bawumia rep. Hope sana doye by as your friend saying Alan Chiramantin rep nekeka. In the course of the conversation, I had to even tune off. Now because now online, it's me free. So because I didn't want to get to a stage meeting me attacking MPP ni and I say akabibiatia penibi. So I decided not to do it. Okay, I said about 3 weeks ago, FDA also on a Saturday morning, Bright Ephraim said me bayana me kasa me serena. There are people who do that with the Yembra general discussion. Say be a Monday morning, I'm about for general discussion. I came here for the first time on that Monday.
Yeah.
But Saturday no frame me kasa debi. Baby ayako no. So obi ba na okasa na obwa na ochre de obetimi aya abwa delegates because this is a delegates elections.
That's right.
Delegates na ye shia omo. How many times now who Bawumia video about bonten say or your campaigner or catcher on say it is not meant for the media. The person media let's know. But the person delegates in it because you will have to convince the delegates among who say ampa. Wona obetimi aye ehonso kasa twitwe bi eni ho because nipa ni wia obehia ne kese pa achen wo kra because so we ni wia you need him because you need to get some cohesion asa na motimi win elections no and they're very important it the okan no it's an experience that I even felt to the extent that me can say from that day min koye sabium min obia independent so say obi oko efidies kra na be can say oh Alan Chiramantin say I don't want to even respond to it because the moment you respond to it on share na obedru bebe na untimi and defending obium and I say obana or electina obi bia ye elect bia no is very much qualified say obetimi abiti mahama and also obetimi ADNDC SCNE just before I say about a question that's on when say political parties act no say political party only one function and a sponsoring people for elections there were different functions or more one of the functions is in a training and you say you serve as a training grounds for a future leaders in the kick and on the MPPI over time it be you know say nipa 10 and a peke form no NDC ya nipa miensa no kra no omuvubo ba ko mfima ni free mo this is a former governor of a Bank of Ghana under the NDC omubo na mfima ni free mo because they didn't really train anyone to take over so I say aye den e de ama so ye de no training is very important. Dr. Bawumia I say o hwe ene daily guide so we share a headline of daily guide we see abana kufo FI no na ananado edi ensuo gu so a abeye ono Bawumia away because looking at where he is where he comes from
it's only has godfathers
yes ono kwa na betimi aka the so called because you believe say faction be anim the so called faction no on na betimi aka bom because kofo na discover Kofo Efa in 2001 ye ko Hepik Kofo Kasebra he was the your friend saying chairman of sa committee na ekoye negotiation for Hepik o me sa negotiation wie no and a president Kofo ka said there be akwa we nim there won ho SOMPA so ye no co-chair of a economic policy coordinating council one doctor the late doctor Kusote or say to say economic management team then after that and I can say onko year 8 to Governor Paul Akwa or year 8 for like 4 years and son or year a Juma within the banking sector and as a Bank of Ghana to the extent that it drew a 2006 year in the deputy governor and President Akufo-Addo Ebefan. So Osha ya nature over time. The party has really groomed him over time. Between 2008 and today, only Obia were part and parcel of the MPP National Council. As far as in Obia Niwana was I experienced from 2008 up to a decision be a MPP National Council take here Okaho. He's a member of the National Council from 2008 up to today. He has been a member of the National Council from 2008 up to today. It's a decision be no account. So be a grumuno over time like this. Na oba contest here. I think say omo can say da ben oba and ne keka ho no have not really checked for over 20 years experience, you know. And you're within the political party. About in 2008, you saw him. In 2012, you saw the improvement. Senator Honorable Kain. In 2013, or call Supreme Court to buy, you know, would the BB for by, BB strong could be by to the extent that it has never happened up to now. Ukraine see that. So Vice President Ney dictated the pace of the discussion in the country. Between 2013 and 2016, Dr. Tony Edu can say, the NDC did not get a single person to tame Bawumia in the elections. We have the video. Dr. Tenedu. Well, see, the NTA, because between 2015 2016, lectures now acquire no demand. He dictated the pace for the discussion in this country. Obaye Ejuma Waye Nenekeka to the extent that Dr. Vladimir Njudanso, I can say, he's the most technocratic vice president Ghana ever had. Yeah, Ghana. Vice President Odinu who share mumum. Wo yejumano and see that you cry sometimes you refuse say I'm Mr. No be Vice President of Ghana. We even forget. So Obisa no ba I think say or the best person obi timi aboa na at this crucial moment I could break 8 no because I per se break 8 so per se break 8 cycle no dia definitely is the best person. Whether he's a Muslim cry na advantage over a former President Mahama because we Omo NDC for no Oma Emo Dewi. So yenim who is a their flag bearer, or a northerner, or a northern Christian. Ye chusu a northern Muslim. There is an advantage to picking Dr. Bawumia. Because ene oba a south ha, especially as antimemu. Ye yinu ria obi abeto party lines. But he appeals to northern Muslims and even the northerners themselves. It is only Dr. Only a former President Mahama Ejina and Seneni Sesia. No mu be a campaigner. We a northerner. We su a northerner. A set me wa. We a northern Christian. We su a northern Muslim. We running mates a southern Christian. MPP or your friends your tradition I wo hodada from Adubuahin ye the lawyer RL last and a buy in 1996 the NT young for northern Muslim amba and he said there was a marriage of convenience not rolling Sapama car as sitting vice president. So definitely that time you feel say yeah the sitting vice president President Kufuor running mater it will be easier for us to win the elections and to me win a call a northern Muslim and this is a northern Muslim. Then you have a southern Christian.
Okay.
So you have the Muslim Christian ticket. Tembia MPP ADM. But this time around the Muslim is leading. But you have your friends say, so Uko Zongwa, it is easy to market. Zongo Emma NDC not less than 2 million votes in any elections. I mean, who won Hohoi because of Zongo? He went to Zongo, told them, say, Mutuma Messi Palace. Messi or Henry Palace, Zongo Henry Palace. Me and Bay Mukwaita, my name ye MC and a year Kufuor. Nansen Suma Bay Asfata Mamo. Into Buddha Mutuma Mahama Krana Mutumamia. Go and see what happened. They voted massively for him. They voted for their Mahama and voted for him and won. Because even in the Volta region, the stronghold of the NDC is Zongo. Because Omono Mutu one way. So now, when you check and you have a northern Muslim, because Zongos are predominantly Muslims, by 90% Muslims. When you have a northern Muslim joining, Abako Semchira said, Liman, now he was a known person in this country. He came 3 months to elections. But Liman, because of the name Liman, the Zongo people felt that we were Muslim like them. So they voted for him. He was a Catholic. But because of the name Liman, they voted for him. So a advantage Edimayeng. Because you have a northern Christian coming against northern Christian who is even a former
probably from Ashanti region as a running mate.
That's a certainty. If that's almost a certainty. So unya and your friend say a Christian a southerner. Now unya a northern Muslim leader. there is the highest possibility that will advantage a chain a friend saying former President even today. Northern region and Dr. Bawumia free by now. He's from the northern region, not the 5 northern regions. But including myself, your issues when you say 5 northern regions, even though it's in the north, but you don't say the other your friends say southern regions now can because can Shanti now can Shanti, can East now can East. But now northern region, which has now been split to Savannah, Northeast, and northern region. Sir, northern region, Dr. Bawumia ye too soon no. Then you krom wale. It has been an NDC seat throughout. You choose from 208 and a seat in the 10 a seat.
SOMPA FM.
Enna, a Juma was yeah because now only 4 out of 31 constituencies. Tama you choose no 4 out of 31 constituencies. And then it was 17. NDC was 16. The northern regional Dr. Bawumia free no. NDC it was 16. You beat them with 1 vote. One your friend saying seats.
From 4 to 17.
From 4 to 17. It will electing we are. It tells you, this is what he's been able to do. It is a old electioner. I am assuring you that the 57 constituencies or the 5 northern regions, there is the highest possibility of beating match. A chance to beat my boy. Seats are yetimi born what in edgy in 2020 ekahona you 117 meal. And your seat NDC there NG da. It's part of a seater. Ye Gia, a Kahua, ye de Eboa, your friend saying, Oko, a Upper East, one of the seats, Binduri, a NDC throughout, and also Yaba, Damango. So it tells you that indeed, say, we, Dr. Bawumia, there is the highest possibility you get the northern votes because there will be a split there. There is the highest possibility, Zongo na, I hear almost one way, no. You have someone who speaks their language.
We are told 2020, the only Zongo community was Pechi.
Yes. The reason is that in 2016, strategy Aduru 2016 elections was different from the 2020 elections. It's one of the reasons. I give myself upset. Me contested for the National Nasara Coordinator because we departed from that campaign. In 2016, we had the Zongo Development Fund. Say, yeah, the Bembra Zongo for G2, we had 24% of Zongo votes. In 2020, we had projects, but we couldn't sell them. Oko Pechi Zongo, the time he winning and they say, yes, 6 units classroom block amount with the Zongo Development Fund. Oko Hayo, with the Zongo Development Fund, yes, 6 units classroom block. Ultra more than 9 years, apata, and you could see a mamo, with the Zongo Development Fund. So the people there were able to tell them what we were able to do, but we couldn't really tell our story, which I think said, we, Dr. Bawumia, there is the highest possibility because our own vision, and there is a vision for the Zongos, we'll be able to get them and they will vote for us.
What about those who say Christians are about 70%, no one told a Muslim?
Dr. Bawumia, Ubi Akrano, Microphone friend, a hybrid. Sana nipa bibri efreno. Look at the testimonies. Me who kramon penny for cry these testimonies are. And penny for a soft penny for Kruim. I care about Dr. Bawumia. That is someone who will bring us together. Again, Ghana crying yet to say Nigeria. I have some family members in Nigeria. So friend no catch us me down for assume see how and cry hona meda. They are shocked. Say how? Because we grew up together. Ghana ha Christian Muslim and to there is no really a friend's attention nim. Menti baby ada ya wo meet me if just zongo. Miko Adventist Preparatory School ewo ho throughout. Me tell my wife cry here. Your friend say I can. My wife I can. Eti me man o me I can for. One free your friend say jukwa. Baby and my wife e free no. Oh yeah, complete I can. So say your friend say anka tension wo ho a me gini say committee ma worry and I can. Eti me ba no say okogina ba bi na okase Albani ko kasa me asantenia me dinchirania one bit me ejina chine because his mother is dinchira.
Okay.
My son, the direct son. So there is no tension. Baby any ho obi aka say religion a consider e de ma obi e wo man yimu. But no kran e be advantage am I say na be at least e betimi average. Again, a northern Christian ticket. Sana MPP are over time. MPP feel say Ghana is a secular state. As a secular state, you know, so who choose a friend saying presidential candidate, any running matter, it was say the dominant religion, no. Take your friend saying advantage of it. Send a bear Ubian feel say we are not left out. And you start from
your end, he represents
from
the minority.
Exactly. From 1992 up to Eneno, Yafa a year Northern Christian, Muslim Christian, Muslim
Muslim.
Problem be anti-Myanmar. So why is it that today
it's going to be Muslim Christian? Yeah.
Problem, Baba. Bibi Emma.